What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Subaru Solterra remote key fob. This key fob is going to work on the 2023 to 2026 Subaru Solterra, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2450. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back of the fob that my finger's on, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we take a look in that space that the key just slid out of, you can see there's this little notch right here that I'm touching with the end of the key, and if you notice, this key has a little bit of a lip on it. So what I'm going to do is take my key and push it in that notch, make sure it's all the way pushed in like that. Then I'm just going to twist the key like I'm opening a lock, and you can see it starts to open the case. Then before I open it all the way, I'm going to flip it over so the buttons are facing down and pull the back cover off. We can see our battery right here. I'm going to grab my key again and use it to get under the edge of the battery right here and help pop it out of that little battery holder. Then I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first like that, and then snap the battery down into place. And if your circuit board has moved around at all, make sure it's sitting down in that clear rubber piece like that, like it needs to be. And then we can snap the two halves back together, slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.